Okay, this video or set of videos is meant to assist with using and working through the regression analysis tutorial prepared by Esri as a regression tutorial, but to do it in ArcGIS Pro. The existing tutorial and files is written for ArcMap, and we're going to do it in Pro. We're going to try to. So that's what these videos are meant to assist with. So you're looking at the PDF for this tutorial. You should definitely read this information in the background. The tutorial gets here, estimated 1.5 hours. We'll see how long it actually takes. But it's basically looking at 911 emergency call data for Portland, Oregon. And right away, you run into some issues because it is in an MXD file, which is, again, that's an ArcMap guy, and we're using ArcGIS Pro. So we're going to just, again, give some hopefully helpful tips for how to open these files up and navigate them. A lot of the tools are pretty similar with some search functions. You can find all the tools, but it's a little bit of a headache to just get things open and get things started. So, and our file paths are different than what's given here. So, and what's I'm showing you for file paths may also be different than what you have on your machine. But basically, we open up ArcGIS Pro, and we want to open up this pre-existing .mxd file. And to do that, you'll do this button here. Start without a template. You can save it later, and that opens this up. And then here in this guy, we want to we're on the Insert tab, or we're on the let's go back to where we were, and we want to import a map. And so you want to navigate to wherever you've downloaded this information, and mine is right here, this guy. And I say open it up, and it should be able to read those files, bring them in, and you should see something that looks like this. In the PDF that comes up, it says there's a hotspot analysis. Really hard to see, but there's hotspot analysis sort of window, regression analysis window, and then a predicted window. All I have when mine opens up is this hotspot analysis window. I didn't see options for additional ones. And some of the things might be slightly out of order. So like the 911 calls, if I bring them up there, you can actually see them, right? Whereas before they weren't there. But this is sort of the initial opening of the older .mxd file in ArcGIS Pro.